Hi, I'm Louise. I've always used microscopes but never known how to do it properly, so I'm interested in learning about how they work and what different bits there are to it.
I'm Lewis Woolnow. I'm a retired head teacher, and in recent years I've devoted a lot of time to developing and teaching courses about microscopy to a whole range of different people, but particularly members of the beekeeping fraternity.
Hello, I'm Chris Thomas. I used to work for a research company and was responsible for the microscopes there, and now I run my own company.
Now, this is your exam.
What do I get at the end of it?
Lots of praise.
Food?
So, hello, Louise. Louise has shown you how to use the microscope, and I'd just like to go through the procedure for a quick setup for someone who is now familiar with the microscope. And I'll mention the stages, and you just go through and do what you've learned. So, the first thing that we're looking at is the microscope on a stable base?
Yep, feels stable.
Mm-hmm. Are you sitting comfortably and can you look through the microscope? Well?
Yep.
Okay. So we now need to turn on the light.
And I need to get enough light in there, don't I?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Have we got an unimpeded light path from the light right through to the eyepiece?
Yep, the filter bits are clicked into place and everything is out of the way.
Okay. So now we're going to rotate the lowest power objective, the 10 times objective, into place.
10 times. That's on this side this time. So that goes round.
Mm-hmm. Now we're checking whether we can actually see anything through the eyepiece.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So what do you see?
Absolutely nothing. Because I haven't put a specimen in.
Right, no, it's okay, but do you see a light disc?
Yes.
Yes, you see a disc of light there. That's great.
I'll just adjust them to my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.
Great. Right. So now we'll put a sample on the stage.
Okay.
And now we want to lower the objective.
I want to make sure I've got something in.
Oh yes, make sure you've got something to look at.
First. Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's in. Lower the objective.
Mm-hmm.
So that's with the focus knobs.
Mm-hmm. That's it. Or rather, what we're doing is raising the stage, bringing the stage closer to the objective.
Yeah.
And looking from the side.
Double checking that I'm not hurting anything.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's good. And then what you're going to do is move the sample, looking through the microscope, is move the sample away from the objective to focus onto the sample. So you're going to look through the microscope.
Ah, yes. Okay.
Okay. The next thing we want to do is adjust the lamp iris diaphragm so it's just outside the field of view when we look through the microscope.
Don't I have to do this one?
That's the lamp iris
That's the
diaphragm.
lamp iris.
Yep.
Thought the other one was. Okay, so that one goes down to the smallest amount,
Mm-hmm.
and then this one I have to check that I can get a nice sharp circle.
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yeah?
Yep.
Good. And then you expand the lamp iris diaphragm until it fills the field of view.
Yep. Got that.
Great. Then we need to adjust the condenser iris. Can you remember how we do that?
You take the eyepiece out,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have a look.
So what are you trying to do at the moment?
When I move this bit, the light
Disc?
the light disc gets larger or smaller.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to make it so I can just see the edge of it inside the field of view, effectively. So that's that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put the eyepiece back in.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And is your sample in focus, or do you need to adjust it?
I will just have a look. Yep, that's now in focus.
Great. Have you got something interesting to look at underneath there?
I think so. I think it's a bit of wood.
Mm-hmm. So, would you like to look at that at the higher magnification?
Yes.
So what do you have to do?
I have to move it to the 40 times magnification, making sure that it doesn't hit anything as I go.
Mm-hmm.
And then make sure it's focused again.
Mm-hmm.
Only with the fine one though, I remember that.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So that's in focus. And then again, I have to do the eyepiece.
Mm-hmm.
And that's better. One last check it's in focus. There we go.
Great. Thank you very much, Louise.
Thank you.
Right, take 257.
If you want to learn more about microscopy, all you need to do is ask these two and they'll tell you everything.
We're not just the founts of all knowledge. We rely on other people as well. And we're a member of several societies and clubs. So, for example, there's the Quickstart Microscopical Club.
Yes, there's the Postal Microscopy Society and the Royal Microscopical Society.
And if you look online, you'll also find various sites such as Microscope, which are great for people who are interested in microscopy. And of course, look on YouTube and find our videos. Thank you.
Bye.